students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, in the given figure, PA is the tangent drawn at point A to the circle with center O. So this is the circle with center O, and PA is the tangent at point, PB is the tangent at point A, and angle AOP is given as 45 degrees. So if PA is the tangent, then angle between OA and PA will be 90 degrees. And one thing we know that sum of internal angles of triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Correct? Sum of internal angles means in a triangle there are three internal angles. One will be angle AOP plus angle OPA plus angle PAO will be equals to 180 degree. So angle AOP, which is angle AOP given in the question, is 45 degrees plus angle OPA we are supposed to find angle OPA plus angle PAO is 90 degree since PB is a tangent, which is equals to 180 degree. So from here we will calculate OPA, which will be equals to 45 degrees. So our correct answer will be option A. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.